Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones without the WhatsApp web. So it's very easy. All you need to do is just go and download WhatsApp in both your phones. So at the moment, this is my second phone. So the first phone is already logged into my WhatsApp. And now I want to use the second phone and it should be logged into the same WhatsApp, right? So it's simple. All I need to do, let me just go and log in into my WhatsApp on the main phone. And meanwhile, I'm just going to open like the WhatsApp. So let me show you. So first, once you open it the first time, of course, WhatsApp on the new phone, click on agree and continue. In here, you'll find three dots at the top right corner. If you go and click on that, you should find link as companion device. Go and click on that, very easy. They'll show you this QR code. Simple, all you need to do, just go to your main WhatsApp. And on that WhatsApp, as example, you'll have to click on the three lines at the top or three dots at the top right corner. Once you click on the three dots, you'll find linked devices. Just go and click on that, then click on the linked device. So, of course, if you have any password, you'll have to enter that out and you'll be able to scan the QR code on the second device. So let me just go and scan that QR code. And as you can see, keeps WhatsApp open in both devices. So they will just go and log in into both devices very easily. So you're done. Once they finish, you'll be able to use it in both. Phone 2 now shows the fully chat history as example and everything right here. No WhatsApp web and no computer needed. Works even if phone 1 is offline for a while. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.